I am Dr. Naveen Mehrotra. I am the consultant neurosurgeon at the Sunshine Hospitals. I did my medical school, that is undergraduation, that is MBBS course from the prestigious KG Medical College, Lucknow. Thereafter, I pursued my masters in general surgery at the Motilal Nehru Medical College, Allahabad. I did my neurosurgical residency at the prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences at Lucknow. After completing my neurosurgery residency, I joined as a faculty, that is assistant professor of neurosurgery at the prestigious Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. During my stay at the Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences, I had a chance to visit US as well as Canada for the fellowship. My first fellowship was the American Association of Neurological Surgeons International Visiting Fellowship, which is allotted every year to 2 neurosurgeons all over the world, and I was one of the lucky one. I conducted my fellowship at the Wayne State of University, the University of Michigan, where I got to learn about the microneurosurgery, that means operating fine tumors, brain tumors, using microneurosurgical principles, and endoscopy. Thereafter, I got a chance to go to the pediatric fellowship at the Children's Hospital of Eastern Ontario, Canada. In the pediatric neurosurgery fellowship, we get a chance to operate upon the children or newborn infants. Newborn infant means the children who are just born. During the pediatric neurosurgery fellowship, I had a chance to operate upon as young a child as 28 weeks, that is premature children, and learned upon operating upon the complex pediatric neurosurgical conditions like hydrocephalus, in which we do endoscopic third ventriculostomy, upon the pediatric brain tumors, upon complex spinal problems which the children face, which cause difficulty in walking, or sometimes development or curvature of the spine. After returning from Canada, I joined with Dr. Gruber Reddy to start the Department of Neurosurgery at the Sunshine Hospital. The Department of Neurosurgery at the Sunshine Hospital caters to all the brain and spinal disorders of the pediatric as well as the adult. We have started a department which is comprised of the neurosurgeons, the neurophysicians as well as neurointensivists who take care of all the neurological emergencies as well as the post-op ICU care. Our core area of interest include the brain tumors and the pediatric neurosurgery. We operate upon all the complex brain tumor patients using the microneurosurgical principles as well as using endoscopes, that is the minimally invasive surgery. Suppose we have a patient who has got a pituitary tumor, that is the tumor at the base of the skull. We go through the nose with an endoscope and remove the tumor without causing any incision on the skull. The Department of Neurosurgery has also another feather to its cap. We operate upon patients with trigeminal neuralgia, that is a nerve which can compress upon the brain. There is a blood vessel that compresses upon the nerve and causes severe neuralgic pain, and by doing simple decompression, we relieve the patient of the severe pain. We treat all cerebrovascular conditions like aneurysms, both by microneurosurgery as well as endovascular interventions, meaning thereby we just pass in a pipe or a catheter and then we reach the brain and we embolize it without giving or embolize or coil the aneurysm without causing any incision to the brain. The Department of Neurosurgery has got a success rate which has been comparable to that of the international standards. We have a team which consists of 2 neurosurgeons, 3 neurophysicians, and the neurointensivist who take care of all our conditions. We provide 24/7, 365 days coverage for all the neurosurgical or neurological emergencies that come to our hospital. I remember when I operated my first neurosurgical patient, that was especially a brain tumor patient, during my neurosurgical residency. My professor allotted me a case and asked me to do the case independently. Independently means he was there by my side, but he didn't scrub up for the case. So there was a bit of anxiety and fear that this was my first case and I do not know how will I fare it, how will I do it. So then that's how we started, and when I was in the mid of the surgery, I had a bit fear that what I was doing is correct or not. And then that's the time when I called my professor to come and see whether what I was doing right or wrong. So my professor came and he encouraged me and told me that learning surgery or doing surgery is one part of it, but managing and trying to go ahead and avoiding complications is another part of it. So that formed a very good lesson for my life, and since then that has been one of my mottos, to do the surgery and avoid complications. I did the surgery went on very well, and my professor did not scrub up for the case and really congratulated me for doing such a good case. And I really remember till today that this teaching has really helped me and has been helping me to do good surgeries without any complications. Like I have been selected, as I told you, one of the fellowships to American Association of Neurological Surgeons, which every year selects only 2 neurosurgeons all over the world. So I was one of them. So my second was a fellowship to Canada. That was also, I was the only Indian fellow at that point of time to do this pediatric neurosurgery fellowship. And I am the only qualified pediatric neurosurgeon in whole of the state of AP. Was the first one to do the qualified pediatric neurosurgery fellowship. Thereafter, I have been awarded with the Delhi Telugu Academy for one of the best neurosurgeons in the state. And I have few national as well as international publications and presentations in which we have discussed about the interesting cases which we have done during our residential experience. My aim is to develop a department of neurosurgery at the Sunshine Hospital which can cater to all the possible neurosurgical as well as neurological conditions, delivering the best to the patient, keeping the patient interest at the center, and as we say, our motto is patient first. So we want that the patient who comes to us in a department with the problems goes back home happy. Like I would suggest to the patient that probably once, like neurotrauma or head injury is one of the very common things which we are seeing daily. I recommend the people to follow the traffic rules, wear helmets, wear safety belts, and one of the most important thing is do not drink and drive together. The other thing what we see is brain tumors patients, and headache is one of the very common complaints. So if you have a headache that is associated with fits or seizures, or associated with vomiting, or you have any visual problems, any difficulty in walking, and you feel that this is not a normal thing which you are feeling, please consult a doctor. It may be or could be a tumor and needs medical attention. Like I'm very fortunate enough to have the support of Dr. Guruvar Reddy, who provided me a dream launch pad to start the Department of Neurosurgery at the Sunshine Hospital. We have got a dedicated neurosurgical theatre in which we have all the state-of-art equipments with a high-end and microscope, an endoscope, an intraoperative electrophysiological device monitoring. That means that when we are operating and we feel that probably there is something that can cause some deterioration or deficit in the patient, we use that machine and try to figure it out and accordingly change our plan or change our operative tactics. So it has been really very fortunate for me or to have the support of Dr. Guruvar Reddy and trying to go ahead with the department. And the Department of Neurosurgery is further upgrading, and our plan is to acquire all the possible good equipments and make it one of the best centers of neurosurgery in the world. I would like to conclude by saying that brain is the apparatus with which we think. That has been said by Ambrose Bierce, but I would like to say that for brain disorders, no need to think, sunshine is the place.